let's learn the last measure of central frequency, and that is mode. Now these are random scores that I have taken. What was mode as per what we learned before? Any number that appears the maximum number of times in a given set of data is the mode. Now if you see here in all the scores, 5 appears 3 times and no other number is appearing 3 or more than 3 times, and that is why we have mode is equal to 5. Now this is what we had learned until our earlier classes. Now when the data is grouped into classes, let's learn how do we do it. Let us move to practice set 6.3, page 149. I have taken the second question. It reads, electricity used by some families is shown in the following table. Find the mode for use of electricity. So for this data, we have to find the mode. The first column is use of electricity, that is the classes, write it down as it is. And the next column is number of families, that is the frequencies, write it down as it is. Next, what we have to see is which is the highest frequency. Now if you see, the highest frequency is 100. So this becomes our modal class. Okay. Now the frequency of the modal class is marked as F1. The frequency preceding the modal class is marked as F0, and the frequency next to the modal class is marked as F2. Now once again we require the lower limit of the modal class, which is 60. So L is equal to 60. We need H, that is the class width. So 80 minus 60 is equal to 20. F0 is 70. F1 is 100. And F2 is equal to 80. Let's see the formula for mode. L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Okay? So the lower limit is 60. Just substitute everything. This is 200 minus 150, so we get it as 50 into 20. Just cancel. Therefore, the mode for the use of electricity is 72 units. Don't forget to write the concluding statement. Let's read the fourth question. The following frequency distribution table gives us ages of 200 patients treated in a hospital in a week. Find the mode of the ages of the patients. Now the first column of age, I have written it down as it is from the question. It says less than 5, 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19, 20 to 24 and 25 to 29. Now we cannot have the class as less than 5. Therefore, first of all we make the classes here less than 5, so it is going to be 0 to 4. Next we write it down as it is. because they are in the form of classes. For mode also, it is required that the classes are continuous. So we will make them continuous. 5 minus 4 upon 2, 1 upon 2 gives us 0.5. So we need to reduce and increase both all these classes by 0.5. However, the first one, that is 0, we will not make it minus 0.5 because the age cannot be negative. So the first class will start at 0 only, and then we will go on increasing or reducing. When it is age, when it is amount, in these cases you cannot have the classes as negative. Next we have to write down the frequencies as it is. You see, the class with the highest frequency is 50. So this becomes our modal class. Now this is F1, the preceding frequency is F0, and the next frequency is F2. We will require L, that is the lower limit of the modal class, it is 9.5. And also we will require H, that is the class width. So 14.5 minus 9.5 is 5. I am writing it down here. So let's substitute all of these values in the formula. Remember the formula, mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Let's just substitute the values. L is 9.5. Twice of 50 minus 22 minus 36, and H is 5, which gives us 9.5 plus 18 upon, so 100 minus 68 gives us 32 into 5. So we have the mode age of the patients is 12.31 years.